Hello, little friends. I'm Peppa Pig. Today I woke up very early because I want to help Mommy with a small thing. I want our house to be clean, Mommy to feel happy, and our whole family to smile together.
Oh, cleaning!
Yes, cleaning together is very fun, George. Mommy, why is our house so messy today?
Mommy is a bit tired, Papa, so I haven't cleaned yet.
Mommy tired!
Maybe Mommy should rest for a while.
Yes, Mommy will lie down for a bit.
I want to do something to help Mommy.
When Mommy is tired, our family will do the housework for her.
So Mommy can sleep well, right, Daddy?
That's right, Peppa. We want Mommy to feel better when she wakes up.
Mommy's sleeping.
Yes, George, so we must be very quiet.
Quiet! George, help!
Good idea, George. Everyone can help a little.
I'll pick up the toys here.
I give it to you.
Daddy will wipe the table and sweep the floor.
I hope Mommy will be surprised. Cleaning is a little tiring. My arms feel tired now, but I want to help Mommy.
It's okay to feel tired, Peppa. You are doing a very good thing. And Mommy will be very happy.
Yes, I'm helping Mommy. If I try a little more, Mommy will smile.
Help Mommy! George, help too!
You're right, George. Let's keep going together.
Clean, clean! Everything is clean now.
Look, George, our house is so tidy now. It looks really nice.
Yes, Peppa. When the house is clean, everyone feels comfortable and happy.
I feel happy when the house is clean, and I'm proud of us.
Happy house! Happy family!
Oh, what happened here? Why does the house look so clean?
Mommy, look, we cleaned the house together.
Oh, I really didn't expect this. You did all of this for Mommy?
Yes, Mommy, we wanted to help you rest.
We wanted to help you, Mommy, so you can feel better and smile again.
Love Mommy! Happy Mommy!
Mommy is very happy because the whole family helped me today. You made my heart feel warm.
Helping you is my favorite thing, Mommy. When you smile, I feel happy too.
Love Mommy! Mommy happy!
That's right. When Mommy is happy, the whole family is happy.
Today I learned something. Helping the people we love makes us feel happy.
Housework is easier when the whole family helps.
Peppa and George did very well today.
I feel very happy. If you want to make your parents happy, start with small things.
Like!
Please subscribe to Vinnie House to learn good things with Peppa every day.